Hello and welcome back to another video on Friends Car Repair Corner. So, as you would have seen in the thumbnail, my car failed its MOT. So we've got a few things that we need to rectify on the Mondeo so that it can get through the MOT. Got some 2 rear control arms and a front spring to do. So the control arms haven't been delivered yet, so I'm going to get out the front and start doing this spring. Okay, phone died, but track rod end out, bottom ball joint out, drop link. I did have some spring compressors on here, but I'm pretty sure I can get this all out now. I've got one bolt that is still up in here. So let's get that out. Right, drive shaft out. I know I need to, pull all this back, but I can then get to this to get this off to replace this broken spring. Okay, so here's my old one. Ended up rounding that out, couldn't get that bolt off, so I have bought a whole new arm. New arm is now in. So I just need to, attach it all in. As you can see, I've done a bit of damage to the car. So replacement wing maybe, but I don't really care. I just want to get it going. So let's get all this back in. Right. 2 bolts in at the moment. Now I've got to do, all of this back up. All right, there's the old truck odd end that they cut off. Just got to put my one in, tighten all of this up, and then done on the suspension. Done. In. Just need to tighten these up now, get the wheel on, and then for the rear. Okay, so that is the front strut or the suspension part sorted then for the MOT. The drop links, the rear arms, they came, but I could not get the bolts to come out. I watched various videos and they just slide out. Mine were not sliding out. I tried cutting mine, I tried everything. Spent a good 2 or 3 days trying to get these rear arms off that should have been a 5-minute job. So I needed a car with the kids and work and everything like that. So I've just had to go out, get another car, and I've sold the Mondeo. So let's show you what I've now got. So this is my 2009 Volvo C30 2-litre diesel R design, sitting on 30mm lowering springs, 18-inch Volvo Atreus wheels. We have tinted windows and a spoiler as standard with the R design. Dual exit exhaust has been fitted. As you can see, the car has had a rear wiper delete. The interior isn't the greatest, but we will get to that. Has halo LEDs along with black wing mirrors and sequential indicator lights. I'm sure you can see the damage at the front here, so this will be addressed along with a headlight restore. As the car has done over 200,000 miles, I'd like to do an intake manifold clean, as this was one of my most viewed videos on the Mondeo. The alloy wheels could do with a refurb and maybe a colour change, so let me know in the comments. Then here on the boot I would like to do a debadge, and then if there is anything else I can do to clean up these tips on the exhaust. And with the interior I need to sort the driver's seat. Thanks for watching, and subscribe so you don't miss out on any future videos. Hopefully I'll have another project soon as well, and not just videos on a daily. Take care, and I'll see you all soon.